Yeah. Do you have any questions?
Um, no questions right now. I just want to compliment you. I think that you have a great energy, and I can tell that you really enjoy helping people. JR has said the most wonderful things about you for years. So he learned a lot from the experience.
Mhm.
And part of the reason why I'm going through this course is because I foresee us sending future employees to your academy as well
Yeah.
for advanced trainings. So I want to understand the flow of things and say, okay, cool, this would be a good fit for this training. This person would be a good fit for this training. Because I would rather teach our people new skills if they have good attitude and they want to learn and they want
Yeah.
to make more money than
Mhm.
firing them and hiring someone else, which is what a lot
Right.
of American employees do, or American employers do, is when
Mhm.
they have no patience.
Mhm.
And so I want to further the skills of my team.